carefully. House and car, diamond and gold. None of it now going to the grave with you. Can't carry it with you when the journey done. All the riches and the ice still stay under sun. So cherish the love before the last bell rung. Cause only good deeds make the soul live long. Money come, money go like the ocean tide. Vanity and hype only feed the pride. When the casket close, none of them can ride. So hold your family close and keep love alive. Every day them chase fame on the internet. Big chain pan chest fi come and respect. Luxury watch but them spirit still stressed. Smile pan face but inside them depressed. Big house pan hill but no peace indoors. Fight over land while the poor stay poor. Friends turn enemy over material things. While love fade away chasing diamond rings. What happened to the hugs and the laughter? Real conversation and helping each other. Too much worshipping image and designer. While the soul get colder and dark, can't carry it with you when the journey done. All the riches and the ice still stay under sun. So cherish the love before the last bell rung. Cause only good deeds make the soul live long. Money come, money go like the ocean tide. Vanity and hype only feed the pride. When the casket close, none of them can ride. So hold your family close and keep love alive. One day the Benz I go park for good. Designer clothes I go rot like wood. Every king and queen return back to dust. So why mankind full of envy and lust? Mother cry every time she never spend. Youth regret how them treat them friend. Life too short for ego and greed. Love one another, that's all we need. No Rolex can buy more time. No mansion can save your life. No amount of gold can heal mankind. But love and truth stay eternal inside. Can't carry it with you when the curtain close. Only memories remain on the love you show. From the richest man to the ones below. Same earth receive every flesh and soul. So humble your heart while you still have breath. Give thanks for life and show respect. Jah Light bring truth through every step. Love is the treasure we should